because I went back over it. Listen, one person said, why she keep changing man off the internet and bringing that person into the baby's life, into close contact with the baby, and she's leaving this baby with this man that she find off the internet. She don't even know nothing about him, where he come from, what he's about, and whatever it is. Then the man can go whatever the baby and stuff like that. It was in a derogatory way where you would have said, oh, the man I do this to the baby or the man I do that. They must say
the person was
upon
asking
the
a question.
yeah, they must say upon the internet she find the man them, and she don't know what kind of man she bringing into the baby's life. And
Okay,
then
so that was the conversation.
That was the conversation.
Then she leave the baby with this person, and she don't even know that person properly.
Okay.
And this person can be a petty
Pedophile, whatever.
violate
Okay.
the baby and
No,
stuff
I
like that.
see.
So it wasn't even in a
It wasn't like that. That's what I said. That's what me I said. Like a lot of the things she read them out of context. Because I always want voice note probably start the conversation, and then she just read the writing underneath. You get what me I say? Because she don't have the voice note them.
Okay.
So the same I say, sure where people talk about baby. That was the context of the conversation. Somebody said one.
Vetty.
Yeah.
Read it back over again. Where person, sir?
Why Vonnie keep picking up man off the internet? She don't know these men. She don't know who they are. Whatever it is. When I read nothing, you know. Me just I tell you when me see. When we go back go look. Me I tell you the context of where the argument is from. And the other person answer back and say, she don't even know if a petty or whatever it is. What can grind off for a baby, whatever. Yeah. Something in that regards. Yes.
And there was a voice note that led to that conversation. Because I think the conversation they happened when time she said she had to left and him or keep the baby when she had to surgery or something. Remember that time there?
Exactly. That was in the
conversation. Yes.
Come on. Yes. That was
everything have a context. If somebody just start talk about somebody just out of nowhere.
Well, like that now. Anybody that said that, cause like you said, blood clot, this America, you know, you can't not take up in and left anybody in America. You can't find them, never see them back again in your life. So it's like that's a big risk.
But look, you can see it on the news every day, and then you can see it on the news every day.
Right. So like when you really look into where that person they have said, that's reality where anybody can look into.
But that's the conversation, but she not really like after the conversation.
Baby with somebody where you don't know for other member this a country, you know. You so much years people missing at this a country and they're not dead. They're still there in a people's house.
Even let me say when I talk about they must say we not talk about Jaden too. Me say one night about 12 o'clock, Dolly write one essay in the group about Jaden, you see? One long essay. All right, but you see when Dolly write and certain people write, it's when Dolly write and certain people write, we just not get into it because we know where Dolly are come from. So everybody we just read it and let it go. That's it, you understand? Because we know Dolly and Jaden be born already. So nobody now gonna take on Dolly and Jaden beef. You have the troll too. When the troll says certain things, nobody don't look at him because everybody knows him is a troll. You're gonna say something, you're gonna say the sky bright today, and he might come with something very outlandish after you say that. Because if you notice when the person said that, nobody don't even acknowledge what him say. They just move on.
That baby then talk about again in our group.
Nobody not talk about no other baby.